Here's just one thing. If my brain is feeling a little garbled, I've had too much screen time, or just can't seem to get anything done, nothing helps more than getting outside, getting some fresh air, and if I can, getting my feet in the sand. Now, if you don't have a beach near you, you can put your feet in the grass outside or even just take a walk around the block and take some deep breaths of fresh air. It does wonders for our state of mind, for our clarity of mind, for our mental health, and calming down our nervous systems and our mood, just to get outside for even a few minutes. And that's just one thing you can do to help yourself flourish and thrive.